Hundreds and thousands of WordPress designers are using Elementor Page Builder plugin to design mind-blowing landing pages and websites and earning tens of thousands of dollars without writing a single line of code. Yes, you need not know how to program the websites to be a master WordPress designer. Using Elementor Page Builder plugin, you can also design beautiful and professional landing pages and full-fledged websites for yourself or your clients. Just by knowing one Page Builder plugin, you can start your web designing business and start earning in quick time. Your hard work will definitely pay. Hello and welcome to this course, where I will teach you how to build awesome landing pages and websites using the Elementor Page Builder plugin. My name is Tanmoy and I am a full-time online entrepreneur. Web designing was my hobby when in college, and I took it as a profession after 12 years of working in the corporate in different roles. I have more than 2 decades of experience designing websites, and I can assure that I have never come across a plugin like Elementor, which has made my life and the lives of many WordPress website designers like me easier, faster, and richer. You are next in line. In this course, I will show you how exactly I designed a live business landing page for my own web design service. So, all that you will learn is implemented in the real world and is already earning dollars for me. It doesn't get more real than this, right? This course is perfect for you if you are just starting to use WordPress, or you have used WordPress and you know the pain of creating professional web pages just by using the elements of the theme and still having to code your way through. Let's transform the hard work to smart work, shall we? Throughout this course, I will teach you how to use Elementor page building blocks, elements, widgets, and templates with ultimate ease and perfection and create top-class websites in very little time. I'll show you how you can add text content, images and icons, and even a video to your WordPress website. Together, we will add animation, self-populating counters, background images, and color gradients to make your website stand out. I'll teach you how to add headings, client accolades, frequently asked questions, scrolling images, call to action buttons, and many other page elements and widgets using Elementor Page Builder plugin. And all this without a single line of code. Yes, you are going to learn how to design complete web pages and websites without having to write codes. This course is my way of busting the myth which says that you need to be a master in web programming language before you can design websites. Check out the preview lectures and go through the course description to know more about the course. Once you enroll and finish the course, I can assure that you will have your first awesome landing page ready, and you will be in a position to design many such pages and complete websites using Elementor Page Builder plugin. Enroll now and let's dive into the world of web designing. You are just a click away from becoming a professional web designer with a potential to earn thousands of dollars selling the skills that I'll teach you in this course. Having said so, if for some reason you find that the course is not meeting your expectations, do not worry too. You can avail the 30 days money back policy and get a complete refund without being asked a question. Your investment is safe with me. Hey, I look forward to see you inside.